Hello, welcome back to Tech.Hack. Today we will be looking at the upcoming Hubsan Zino Pro. This is a very amazing looking drone. As usual, this is very similar to the original Hubsan Zino drone. It does have the orbiting features and also the image tracking. So I believe they have updated the firmware for the original Zino and probably improve it much more over here. And also the visual auxiliary landing, that will be something very different, because most of the time, although in terms of precision, it does land in quite nice a few feet away, but this will be much more better than that. And with a 4-kilometer range Hubsan Zino Pro, this will be a very impressive drone. It will be almost head-to-head competition with, I believe, DJI Mavic Pro and DJI Mavic A. So let's have a look at the controller also, and it does looks amazing. The ultra high definition, you still get the 4K 30 frames per second, and at a maximum rate of 60 megabits. I believe this will be very sharp 4K video. And this time around, it does have something much different, an ND filter. Of course, this is optional purchase, and it will be available once this drone is released. And here are all the features as what you would have expect from Hubsan. Let's hope we will get this amazing drone very soon. I was told that it will be released at around end of October. I personally have ordered this Hubsan Zino Pro, and I think it will be a very good drone. So I hope you guys will do the same. Please order this drone, and don't order those very high end drones which cost you $1,000 to $2,000. That may be a bit overkill. And as you can see over here, the GPS and the battery capacity at 3000 milliamp is very good. And if I'm not mistaken, this time around this drone actually have some capabilities to resist the some of those lateral wind load. So with maximum flight time of 23 minutes and 9 meters per second, that will be a very good drone. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Until then, Tech.Hack signing off. See you guys next time.